la la. Oh, hi Toad. Hi, Mario. Toad, I have to ask you a favor. Is it okay if you can do the Cooking with Chef Mario show today?
What? Me? Really? Really?
Yes, I have to go to the store now and get some things.
Oh, thank you, Mario.
I won't let you down. I know, Toad, I know. Well, bye.
Bye.
Time to go and make the, dinner, lunch, breakfast, this dish. Wait, Mario, what are we making? Chicken. Oh, okay. This must have been the chicken Mario was talking about.
Select
the sharpest knife from the set. Hee hee hee.
Which one to choose?
Too small. This looks great. Well, look, I'm gonna go now. Where did he go? Where are you? Bird.
Bird.
Where can he be? Aha! There you are! Hey, where did he go? Hey!
Hey, I wonder if he's in the cabinet.
I wonder if he's in the cabinet. Damn, man. Okay.
I know you're here somewhere.
You're in the room.
Yeah.
Hey, what happened? What happened to the car? What's that?
Ow. I found her now. Where are you, Red Bird? Bird. Achoo.
Rah. Oh no, I think Toad's not gonna like that. Please, hands up. Oh no. Okay. Wow, I'm so glad whoever left those there. Wow. Hey, you come back here right now!
Ow. Got you now, Bird. We need a break.
We do need a break. Let's play a game! Uno! Okay, let's just get everything set up. I wonder if I have anything. I don't have anything. Nope. Wait! Ha ha ha. Skipped! I'm gonna get you!
What's in the freezer?
Nope. Refrigerator down part? Nope. The oven? Nope. Okay then. Dishwasher? Nope. Okay then. I don't know where he is. Probably in the cabinet. Guess he's not in here. Oh yeah. How to get out of here? Mario, there's Mario. I better go talk to him. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Ugh. Ow. Ouch. Ow. I got you now, Bird. Oh no. Mario. La la la. I'm back from the store. Hey, Toad. So did you make, the dish like I said? But the dish keeps running away. That's not the dish. I said bacon soup. Oh no, I must have said it wrong. Sorry, Toad, for all the trouble. Oh, it's nothing. But I meant to say bacon soup. Not that bacon soup. This. Okay. this bacon already made. Oh, it's okay. Well then, this is bacon soup. Well then, this is not a real video of bacon soup, but, so, thanks for watching, and Redbird, Toad, Pig, do not cook each other. Ow!